Hey everyone, so today I'm going to briefly go over the anatomical planes. This is especially important if you're taking anatomy. You'll see these time and time again. So what you see me doing here, I am coloring in the first plane, and this is the mid-sagittal plane. And what it does is it separates the body into right and left halves. Alright, so up for our next plane, we're going to do the coronal plane. I also forgot to mention that the median plane is also called the sagittal plane. So in this next plane, it is called the coronal plane, also known as the frontal plane. So it separates the body into front and back halves. And that's what you see me doing right here. And I just thought this was fun for artistic value. All right, and for our very last plane, for the last anatomical plane, this is the transverse plane. This is where you separate the body into superior and inferior halves. And that concludes all of the planes. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.